Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set up WhatsApp on your WordPress website without any additional plugins or third-party softwares. So we're going to be doing this only using ChatGPT and of course WordPress. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, we will open ChatGPT and write a prompt. So it's all about writing the correct prompt so that the ChatGPT, that is this AI tool, understand what is our requirement and give us the best result. So always start with your number. So let's say my number is, and you enter your number where you want all the traffic or the WhatsApp button to be integrated. So I'll enter the number quickly. Okay, this is my number, and then you will give the prompt, you'll continue the prompt saying I want a floating WhatsApp button, WhatsApp on my WordPress site, okay, with custom text. If you want it to look different with something like click here to buy, or WhatsApp us or contact us to buy, something like that. So I'll write contact us to buy, okay, just for demonstration, just for you to understand. And I want the HTML code. So you'll request ChatGPT to write the HTML code for you, which you can easily paste on WordPress and it will be live. So let's just wait until the custom code is generated by ChatGPT. And now you have an option here to preview, to see how it looks, and in case you don't like it, you can make further customizations. So let's wait until this is ready. So our code is now ready. You can edit this code if you want. I would not suggest that, just copy. And if you want, you can click on preview and you can see the code would look, the WhatsApp button would look something like this. So now what to do is, we have already copied the code. Just go to your WordPress website, okay, and click on edit site. Click on this add button, which is a plus button which says add block, and select custom HTML. Paste the code that we just copied and don't forget to save. So now when you save this will add the code here. So let me show you how it looks. Here it is. We have a custom WhatsApp button here that says contact us to buy. So whenever somebody clicks on it, it will take them to WhatsApp and they can directly message you. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more such videos, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.